man, with the juice. Bro, what is this? This ain't nothing. Bro, I know he ain't leaving this in the refrigerator like this. He got the game messed up. What's up, bro? What up? Yo, what is this? What you mean? It's juice. I know it's juice. Why leave this empty container in the refrigerator? You should have just finished it. I mean, technically it's not empty though. What sense should that even make? All right, see, let me explain. See, that's enough right there to get your throat wet. Like a splash, a swallow, a sip. You get what I'm saying? First of all, no Diddy. Second of all, I don't want the juice no more. Here, just take it.